Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on vibration for Gmail call notifications so you never miss an important incoming call again, whether you use Gmail for work or personal communication. Keeping your vibration alerts active helps you stay connected even when your ringtone is off. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your main settings app. Everything begins here because vibration settings for Gmail are controlled through your phone's system preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on apps. This is where all of your installed applications are listed. From here, you'll be able to manage individual app settings, notifications, and permissions. Now, look for Gmail and tap on it. Once you're inside the Gmail app settings, you'll see several options that control how Gmail behaves on your device. Tap on Notifications. This is the key section where you can manage alerts, tones, and vibrations for different types of Gmail notifications. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Gmail separates its notifications into groups, like messages, calls, or meeting reminders, so you can fine-tune each one individually. Next, look for the option called Changes to Ongoing Calls and tap on it. This specific category controls notifications for active Gmail calls, such as when someone calls you through Gmail chat or Google Meet. Finally, find the Vibrate toggle and switch it on. Once it's enabled, your phone will vibrate whenever you receive a Gmail call notification. It's a small detail that can make a big difference, especially when your phone is in silent mode or you're in a noisy environment. And that's it. You've successfully turned on vibration for Gmail call notifications. Simple, quick, and effective. Now, whenever someone calls you through Gmail, your phone will vibrate to grab your attention instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need the same tip. Thanks for watching.